This story we're bringing back to you by popular demand, in case you missed it. It involves a berry with berry beneficial ingredients. It's found deep in the Amazon rainforest, and it's quickly becoming the latest health supplement craze. Karina Sullivan is here to explain in today's On Your Side Health. Karina, we've had an amazing response to this story. Why so popular?
Lauren, people are crazy about the acai berry. It is chock full of antioxidants and is most often taken in juice blends. New York Times bestselling author Nicholas Perricone rates it the #1 superfruit in the Perricone Promise, helping you look younger and live longer. But there's more. See this purple juice? It's called MonaV Active. A new study finds MonaV Active increases antioxidant activity. Those antioxidants able to penetrate cells, giving you the greatest health benefits and perks, improved healing, and a stronger immune system. Researchers also found the antioxidant cocktail protects the internal lining of arteries. But here's the catch. You have to drink 4 ounces a day. And the juices aren't cheap, typically about $40 a bottle. As for the acai berry, doctors say it has 10 times more antioxidants than red grapes. It has also been known to improve joint pain and give you an energy boost. A University of Florida study indicates the acai berry can even blast cancer cells, triggering a self-destruct response in up to 86% of leukemia cells. But remember, the acai berry is not a supplement. It is a supplement. It is not medicine, that is, and it is not a guaranteed cure. Here's the deal. It doesn't taste that bad at all, kind of like blueberry/prune juice with some seeds in it, but really not that bad.
Hey, packs a punch too.
It does.
I'm going to try it.
Do
Karina,
it.
thanks.